today we'll talk about how can you create new posts on your WhatsApp. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do first, you just click on manage down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on present plans, you just click on it. You come to next sorry, we'll go back, sorry. You click here on block. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click on create new post. It's going to take you to this list here. So then here can you create your new post in this list. If you want to add here, so your photo here. So in here article, then you click on next and it's going to add with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.